Alright, I'm gonna go check on the sugarcane curve. What? What did you do to my ATV? It's broken! What? Oh, it has 1 health left. How gracious of you. Yeah, get the... I'd bring you up to the dish. Not the dish, the tower. I got some sugarcane to harvest. Oh, it's not almost... It's not done yet. Okay, you're coming up. Come here. I'll be right back, Curve. Hey guys, I brought you a new friend. Oh, nope, don't set him on fire. There you go. See you later. I'm back. Alright, let's see if the sugarcane wants to be harvestable now. And it's a big no. Did the sprinkler stop working? I think it did. Alright, that's annoying. I have to set it up every time I reload, I guess. There we go. Oh, I should probably fix my ATV. Can you believe that they would do this to us, Curve? Well, I guess I had it coming. There we go. Potato. Duck! Where? Duck where? I heard him. I heard duck. Where duck? Where duck? Where duck? I need duck. Ducky, ducky, ducky. Here, ducky, ducky. Where is he? Oh! Ducky! Yes! Ducky! Oh, look at him. He's just a duck. You're coming with me, buddy. Now, you're gonna disappear if I don't put you in storage, so you're gonna go with the skulls for now. But whenever I want to just, like... I'll take you out, alright? Alright. Oh, god damn it, Kerf is stuck. Well, it looks like I'll be grabbing these hashes myself. Hi, Kerf. Your light is very bright. I'm turning it off. Oh, shit. No, wait. No, 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 no. Come back. No. No. Oh, I gotta hurry. Gotcha. Alright. I don't know what you did with the floppy disk, but, we're just gonna have to do it ourselves, alright? I'm just gonna have to do it. And you're coming, because your pathfinding sucks right now. Alright, the sugarcane is done. Let's go harvest a Curve and see what we get. Oh, server's done. Curve. Ooh, Curve, can you go fix it for me? Thanks. Alright, this is a lot of sugarcane. I've taken notice. I'm gonna replant 40 again. I should have a lot of sugar to sell. Alright, look at how much sugar it made. That is at least like 400 points or something worth of sugar right there. Or, well, selling. Because I think each bag of sugar to buy is 200 points. So, but selling is at least like 400, I think. Definitely enough to get me that printer, right? Alright. Now I just gotta bring it all over. And plant 40 more sugarcane. Alright, there we go. Just toss the suitcase back over there. And then send the drone away. Now I just gotta plant 40 sugarcane. Oh joy. Alright, I think that's 40. Only one way to find out. There we go. It was 40. They have more growing. Oh my gosh, I got 500 points from that. You know what that means, Chris? You mean that... You know what that means, Curve? No. No, let me try that again. You know what that means, right? Industrial printer. Let me get the ATV out of the way. I need a lot. What? Think I know how the toolbox works. Thank you. Let's get it. Printer. Oh yes. Let's buy. It's most of my points, but trust me, Curve, it's worth it. Think of all the things we can make. Yes, we can make another U. It won't be as cool, though. That one won't be able to fix servers. If I wanted to make another U, like, that's functional, I'd need another radioactive capsule. And a lot more points, and a lot more work. I just think the industrial printer is just a better investment here. Nothing. Joy, I guess. Fair enough. Oh, here it comes. Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm not sure how it fit in the sack. But I'm not complaining. Alright, watch out, Curve. Oh, it's not gonna be able to fit in the garage. I never thought of that. So let's just move it out here. There we go. This will be fine. And I'm thinking a rival wants a industrial 3D printer. Well, Curve, we did it. We farmed our way to an industrial printer. Aren't you proud? I know. I am. High five, Curve. Whoops.